Hey there, awesome viewers. Welcome back to my channel, where we dive into all things cool and techy. Today, I'm super excited to unbox and test the functionality of my new 6-in-1 multifunction meter. Ever wondered how to check if a device like this is working properly? Well, you're about to find out. We'll be exploring how to test if the multifunction meter is functional and ready to rock. Join me as we open the box and take a closer Look at this handy tool. We'll go step by step through the testing process, making sure everything works like a charm. Whether you're curious about electronics or just love trying out new gadgets, this video is for you. By the end, you'll know how to make sure your multifunction meter is good to go for all your testing needs. So, get comfy and let's jump right into the exciting world of testing our 6-in-1 multifunction meter. Using this breaker, connect the two wires to the output terminals, ensuring that the right wire goes to the right terminal and the left wire goes to the left terminal of the multifunction meter. Make sure the breaker is turned off before proceeding. Next, connect the wire from the outlet with the live wire going to the live terminal. And the other wire inserted into the hole of the multifunction meter, leading to the left terminal of the breaker. Now, as you can see, everything looks awesome. let's try turning on the breaker. It's functioning. As you can see, the voltage, current amperage, and other measurements are displayed on the screen of this meter. Now, let's dive into the action and fire up this grinder to see how it affects the current. Buckle up, folks, because we're about to witness some electrifying results. Wow, did you see that? The current on our multifunction meter is reacting to the grinder's power. It's like watching the heartbeat of electricity in action. This just goes to show the incredible versatility and accuracy of our multifunction meter. Whether it's measuring voltage, current, or any other electrical parameter, this tool is a game changer for anyone working with electricity. I'm genuinely impressed by how well it performs, and I can't wait to incorporate it into my electrical projects at home. With this tool by my side, I feel confident in ensuring the safety and efficiency of my electrical wiring. So, to all the viewers out there, if you're looking for a reliable and powerful tool for your electrical needs, consider adding a multifunction meter like this one to your toolkit. You won't be disappointed. Thank you so much for joining me on this journey of exploration and discovery. Your support means the world to me, and I can't wait to share more exciting content with you in the future. Until next time, stay curious, stay safe, and keep exploring the wonders of technology and innovation. See you soon.